Dear students, today we are going to learn small vertical axis turbine with power plant accessories. Vertical axis wind turbine construction is shown. You can see here how it look like. This is a Savonius type. Then second is a Darius type and S-shaped type. These are the three important this particular wind turbine, small vertical axis wind turbine. Construction and working. In vertical axis wind turbine, main rotor shaft is arranged vertically. This wind turbine generates power from the wind coming from any direction. It does not need to be pointed into the wind. Main components are located at base of the turbine. Service and maintenance becomes easy as generator gearbox is located close to the ground. This considerably reduces cost and complexity. The turbine shaft is coupled to generator with gearbox or direct drive arrangement with control unit. Generator converts mechanical power provided by wind turbine into the electrical power. Generator can operate at variable speed to maximum power output. It offers variable speed and optimize power output operation at low noise and eliminating pitch and yaw control mechanism. Aerodynamic force is resolved into lift and drag components which maintains dynamic pressure. Typically, types of vertical axis wind turbine use are D various turbine, Savonius turbine. Advantages: ability to generate electric power in any wind direction, low construction cost and easy construction. Yaw and pitch control mechanism is not needed. Suitable for extreme weather condition area. Variable speed operation. Disadvantages: low efficiency as compared to high horizontal axis wind turbine. Relatively high vibration because airflow near to ground creates turbulent flow. We can see here vertical axis turbine has following main components. First is blade, shaft, bearing, lower platform, upper platform. 6 is gearbox, generator, disc brake, foundation, guy ropes, cross arm. You can see and you can learn this particular diagram. Just now we are concentrating. So in top of bottom bearing vertical shaft is supported. Support for the low bearing foundation. Then support upper bearing 6 guy ropes. Tower height 100 meter. Blades are attached to the rotor shaft. The blade section is aerofoil. Then turbine vertical shaft is coupled to the generator shaft through gear. Disc brakes are provided. Turbines as well as generator also operate on variable speed. Running tip speed ratio is very large in this case. Tip speed ratio lambda is equal to blade tip ratio divided by free stream wind speed CB upon CI. Thank you.